forgot something at home. We were almost at the store. Forgot this servo for our Traxxas Vortex chassis. The gear stripped on it, and we've only had it for a few days. We just bought this servo, so I'm gonna see if he can exchange it for us. Should be like a 30-day warranty on electronics and stuff by Traxxas, and I think the vehicle that we're gonna get should have 1-year warranty on all electronic stuff, so I feel confident with that. But let's go. This is the shop right here. Now we're inside the store here. We're at the RC Maxx hobby store here in La Habra, California. I'll be sure to attach all of their location information and contact information here on the screen, but you can also find all the links to them in the description down below in case you guys wanted to pick up a Traxxas model or something, you're looking for some parts or maybe a new store, something with good deals. I definitely recommend this place. So you guys can find their contact information in the description down below. Like I said, are also right here popping up on the screen, so you can check that out. We're here to pick up the model that we've been looking for. Like I said, bringing a new model to the channel. That's going to be the Traxxas X-Maxx. So we're going to go ahead and pull that up on the counter, get the accessories that we're going to get with it if we get any, and the batteries. So we'll show you guys that after we get that all settled in. But I just finished shooting some shots of some of the models that they got here. Every week is probably different. Every 2 weeks they send out different stuff, maybe different paint schemes and stuff like that. So you guys would have to see it in person or maybe call in and see if you guys are looking for a specific model. But they got a lot of options, a lot of Traxxas options and parts like that. So I think this is by far one of the best stores that I've been to in terms of options and pricing. So I definitely recommend it if you guys are looking to get into the hobby, or maybe you're already in the hobby. Before we get back to the house and begin the unboxing, I just wanted to show you guys the little setup that I have for the truck. Pretty sure you guys are curious about what batteries and chargers that I'm using. So let me give you guys a little background on the specs that I'm using. So I went with 2 4-cell 6700 milliamp ID batteries. So we're running 2 of them, 4-cell. This truck takes 2 batteries. It's kind of expensive to run this truck. So be prepared if you buy this truck. You better have some extra money for those batteries because it's really pricey. So we're also getting the high output off-road light kit here as well. So this comes with the front and rear LED light bars, and it has working brake light and reverse lights. So that's always cool. It's gonna add a little bit of extra, you know, cool look to the truck with the brand new truck. And then this is the charger that I'm gonna be using too. This is the Traxxas East Peak Live Dual ID charger. I have another one of these chargers. It's really good, works perfect. If you have multiple Traxxas vehicles, I recommend getting this charger. This is an investment. If you're into the Traxxas hobby, this even works with actually different batteries, but you have to look up the requirements and stuff to customize the settings to charge other different batteries with this charger. But I recommend investing in this charger. If you have multiple Traxxas batteries, it really helps out, and it charges batteries pretty quick. So this is a really good investment right here. But that's it. I just got the X-Maxx, then the 2 6700 milliamp batteries. I think this is the biggest size that you can get for the 4-cell batteries on this vehicle. But I'm really excited about this build. We're gonna get it back. You'll see me unboxing it at the house, and then we'll get it all put together, get some cinematic shots of it, and then get some driving videos of it. But I'm super stoked, guys. This is it, the Traxxas X-Maxx with the whole complete kit ready to run. So let's get back to the house, begin the unboxing now. Front and rear light bars, working brake lights and reverse lights. This is a lot of fun right here. Front light right here. Reverse light, brake light, mode select. This is pretty cool. This should be really bright. 2 big batteries right here. 6700 4-cell for a total of 8 cells. Finally. This is put the function down, isn't it? Oh crap. Grip on the bottom. Looks like the shocks are zip tied, so they're compressed right now. Holy crap. Heavy. Alright, pull the box out. Take off the zip ties. 2 weeks now. I just finished filming all the videos and I just broke it. So hope you enjoyed this video. We did it for the content and for the X-Maxx experience. We'll get it repaired now with our friendly shop in our local neighborhood.